How to check your inbox on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Instagram application in your mobile device. So go ahead and open it up. Once you open the Instagram app, simply log into your Instagram account. Now in order to check your inbox on Instagram, you simply want to go ahead and tap on the chat icon at the top right corner, and then you will be directed to your chat section. This is one way. Another way is simply swipe to your right, and then you'll be able to land in your inbox section. Also, if you have any message request, you want to go ahead and tap on this request option, and then your message request will be available in here. Also, if you have any hidden requests on Instagram, tap onto it and then you'll find all of your hidden requests on Instagram. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.